Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDBEAT E3 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. Then let's tap on gestures and tap on navigation mode. So here we've got 3 button navigation. As you can see, you can customize them, you can change the manage the home assistant, and then all you have to do is simply tap on the gesture navigation. Instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can tap on this settings icon and customize, for example, the back sensitivity. Now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures actually. So in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. You can see this arrow, so you can release the finger. The same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short like that. And if you want to open the recent, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here you've got the resets. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.